Okay, good morning guys. So we have a super busy day today. Yesterday we went and picked blueberries at a local farm and we have so many blueberries. I'm going to show you. We picked 11 pounds. Well, I didn't. It was actually so hot that I had to take the baby back to the car so he could cool off because his little cheeks were red. It was 93 degrees out. So anyways, today we're going to make some blueberry muffins. I try not to use any white sugar in my kitchen. That's just a personal preference. So I'm probably going to have to experiment a little bit. But I am going to use my grain mill for those because I love using that for things like muffins and waffles and things like that because it's really good for that. Like I said, it's early in the morning. My hair is wet. I just took a shower. So we're going super laid back today. That's Casey running in the background. And we're gonna... I want to call them. Okay, hold on. And we're also going to make some blueberry jam. This is my first time making jam, but we have a lot of blueberries and enough to make it. So it's going to be a honey sweetened blueberry jam. We're probably going to have to freeze some blueberries just because it is so much and I don't really have a lot of ideas right now. So, but that's what's on the agenda for today. So let me show you all these blueberries.
Oh, I want blueberry.
Mm-hmm.
I want a blueberry.
Hold on, baby. I'll give you some. So here they are. This is only half of them and it's this huge strainer. So we have 2 things of these. I'm really excited. Those good blueberries?
Mm-hmm. Okay, now mash them. Mash them. Mash them. I need to mash it.
No, we're not mashing them.
What are we doing?
We're mixing them.
Oh, I want to mix them.
Mix it. We gotta pull out our mixer.
Put it in there.
Yeah.
Put it in there.
Push this down.
And I know what I'm doing.
Turn it on over here.
Okay, okay. Whoa! Put it in there.
Okay, that's good.
Put it in there.
No, that's it. So when you're working with little kids, there's always a lot of madness going on. So the kitchen is an absolute disaster, but we sterilized our we sterilized our jars. An easy way to do that is to turn the oven on 275 and put the lids and the jars in there, not touching, for 20 minutes. And that's the way I sterilize them. It's a lot easier than, getting out a bunch of boiling water and making a big mess like that. I don't really like that very much. Here's our jam. It's really starting to thicken up. Let's see.
And I'm making peanut butter jam.
You're making jam? And here we are making some blueberry muffins. Yum! Okay, so what did I just say?
A bigger powder.